Different states, different carriers are going to have different things. Kind of like on auto, we didn't talk about medical payments because I did not want to go down that rabbit hole. We're just doing a high level right now. Call flow is the same. Awesome. So Alyssa, I just ran reports on the homeowner side. Again, you've got a beautiful record. Everything just looks amazing. A newer home, that's definitely fantastic. I'm seeing their annual premium come back at 1404. So it looks like there's a little bit of savings, not a ton, but the savings on the auto side is incredible. So I'm seeing an overall savings of about $300 a year, but it also gives you a lot more coverage. This particular carrier has been around 100 years. So they are strong and steady. And again, I did quote you 30 days out, but I moved you back. If we were to start this policy tomorrow, again, they're going to let us keep our early shopping discount. That doesn't always happen. That's just happening right now with what I'm looking at. So it looks like you are overpaying a little bit. We can get you more coverage. This is a fantastic company. What we would do is if you are in escrow for your home, I would collect the name of the bank, the address, and the loan number. We're going to print up the invoice and get that over to escrow. It's going to save you a step, and they will cut the check to pay for your homeowner's insurance. On the auto side, if we pay monthly, they're just asking the first month premium. Yeah, that was $330. So that's going to save you $60 a month right off the bat. So they're not asking a down payment. They would just like that first month premium. They will allow you to start tomorrow. Let me grab, do you prefer to pay bank account routing or credit debit?
I pay bank account routing right now because it gives me a discount, so I'm fine continuing that.
And honestly, it's insurance. When you do bank account routing, it's secure. Credit debit cards expire. They can be lost or stolen. Now, this company is also going to send you an email to download their app. This app is different than the telematics. Again, you have access if it's something you want. This app is to navigate your policy online. So if you decide, I wonder what it would be with a different deductible, this has a $1,000 deductible. If you get curious and you say, I've got $2,500 in my savings, I want to see what that'll save me. You're going to go in and you're just going to click of a button and it'll show you. If you prefer human interaction, there's an army of us. And then I'm on the correct screen to collect bank account and routing number whenever you're ready.
Awesome. It's account number is 1234567 and routing is 1100314.
And then we'll make the billing date on this for the 5th of every month. Again, if you need to change anything, quick click of a button or just send me an email. I am a big fan of gold stars and screenshots. So here in about 5 minutes, I'm going to print up all your documents. I send those over itemized and labeled. You'll get PDF documents in your email. The subject line is going to have a gold star and it'll say, welcome to our agency. I will also screenshot your ID cards. If you're ever in an accident, we don't want you hunting. We just want you to have what you need right away. Also, the gold star in the subject line, if you decide you want to favorite that, meaning gold star it on your end, if you ever need me, I'm super easy to find. You would just put in a gold star. And Alyssa, I just sent your email and your documents over. Do you have access to those?
Yeah, I just got them on my phone.
Okay. You may notice at the bottom of my email is the link for Google reviews. No pressure on my end, but our agency collects Google reviews like a little kid collects stickers. So if that's your thing, it would be an honor. And then I'm going to send a note over to our service department. Here at our agency, it's one of the perks of being with our agency. We run reports in the background before renewal, just to make sure that you're still getting a fair premium. If we see a better placement for you, we are proactive. If renewal documents and there's been an increase and you have not heard from us, it might be because those increases are tracking the market, right? They are what is happening. But if you are curious about that again, please don't be shy. So I have everything set up on my end. Do you have any other questions or anything else you want me to pay attention to?
No, you've been great. I'll honestly give you a Google review if that's what helps your business. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alyssa. Have a great night and stay safe out there.